If you want to sell digital products, the good news is you no longer need a warehouse inventory or even shipping because digital products can be sold worldwide 24 hours a day with almost no delivery costs. But one important question remains: where? Should you actually sell them? Because choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in how quickly you get customers. So in this video, we'll rank some of the best platforms for selling digital products in 2026 and discuss who each one is. Let's start with number 5, Stan Store. Stan Store has become very popular among creators, especially on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other social platforms. It allows you to sell products directly from a simple storefront, link including ebooks, templates, guides, courses, and digital downloads. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You can set up a store very quickly without needing a website. Now, number 4, PayHip. PayHip is one of the easiest platforms for beginners it supports ebooks, courses, memberships, templates, digital downloads, and more. Many creators like PayHip because it's straightforward and doesn't require advanced technical skills. You can start selling almost immediately, which makes it ideal for first-time sellers. Now, number 3, Gumroad. Gumroad remains one of the most well-known digital product marketplaces. It's especially popular among designers, writers, artists, developers, and creators. With Gumroad, you can sell ebooks, digital art software, templates, music, and other downloadable products. The platform handles payments and delivery automatically, which simplifies the selling process. Now, number 2, Etsy. Many people think Etsy is only for handmade products, but honestly, digital products are one of the fastest growing categories on the platform. Popular digital products on Etsy include printable planners, wedding, templates, business forms, digital artwork, Canva, templates, and educational resources. One major advantage is built-in traffic. Millions of customers already search Etsy every day, which means you may not need to generate all your own traffic. Now, before we reveal number 1, let's talk about product types because different platforms perform better depending on what you're selling. Popular digital products in 2026 include ebooks, planners, templates, digital art and line courses, business documents, spreadsheets, and AI-related resources. The key is creating something that solves a problem or saves people time. And now, number 1, Shopify, because if you're serious about building a long-term business, Shopify offers the most flexibility. Unlike marketplaces, you own your store, your branding, and your customer relationships. You can sell virtually any type of digital product while maintaining complete control over pricing, design, and marketing. The downside is that you'll need to drive your own traffic, but for many entrepreneurs, the additional control is worth it. Now let's talk about something important: traffic. Because the platform itself doesn't guarantee sales, many beginners focus entirely on choosing a platform, while ignoring marketing. Successful sellers often generate traffic through TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, blogs, and email marketing. No matter which platform you choose, customers still need a way to discover your products. Now, another important tip: start small. Many successful creators began with 1 ebook, 1 template, 1 planner, 1 simple digital product, then expanded once they understood what customers actually wanted. Now, let's be honest for a second. There isn't a perfect platform for everyone. Etsy provides built-in traffic. Gumroad and PayHip offer simplicity. Stan Store works well for creators, and Shopify gives you maximum control. The best platform depends on your experience, your audience, and your long-term goals. So to wrap this up, some of the best platforms for selling digital products in 2026 are Stan Store, PayHip, Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify. Because honestly, the most important factor isn't where you sell, it's creating a digital product that people genuinely want to buy.